Good morning, dear children. Today I will teach you about rainy season. So children, today we will learn about the things we see during rainy season. So we see clouds, raindrops, rainbow, puddles and thundering and lightning in the sky. So children, do you know what happens when it rains? When it rains, we can see dark clouds in the sky and we get water from that dark clouds in the form of droplets, water droplets. So that water droplets are called raindrops. Okay children? Very nice. So I will show you the water droplets that is coming out of from the sky. See, these are the water droplets. Can you see? The people are walking with their umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots, and the water is coming from the sky. Yes. So children, what else can you see when it rains? Have you heard any sound during rains? Have you heard any sound? Yes. We hear the sound, that is a big sound, is called thundering. थंडरिंग मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? जोर से आवाज आता है, गरजते हैं, बादल गरजते हैं. Yes. And we see lightning, and when we see the lights is called the lightning. See, this is the lightning. We see the lights that you see in the sky. The light that you see in the sky is called lightning. Yes children, see, the raindrops is coming out of the sky, from the sky and from the clouds. Can you see the picture clearly? Yes, see the picture. See, these are the water droplets, and this is thundering and lightning. Now, during rainy season, children love to play in the puddles. So, do you know what is puddle? Puddle means a small pool of water. मतलब पानी का छोटा गड्ढा जिसमें बच्चे खेलते हैं. So children love to play in the puddle. So children, during rainy season, we can see a beautiful thing in the sky. What is that thing? Can you guess? Think about it. Yes, it is beautiful rainbow. See, can you see the rainbow in the sky? See, it's a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Yes, children, very nice. So we love to see the rainbow in the sky. It's of 7 colors. Yes, children. So now today we have learned about rainy season, and now we will sing some rhymes. Okay children? Thumbs up. Yes. So first rhyme is rain, rain, go away. This is a little Johnny. He wants to play outside, but he can't play because it is raining outside. So he's saying, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. One more time. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yes, very nice. Okay, now another rhyme we will sing. That is, I hear thunder. See here, this picture. Here the children they hear thundering and lightning. So they are singing. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Yes, one more time. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Yes, did you enjoy? Yes, I enjoyed too. So, children, now we will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.